Hi folks, Mike Reed with a quick video recap of some setups and opportunities we had on trading around the numbers and price action on Friday, January the 19th. It was quite a week last week. It was a short holiday week. Started with about a 40-point drop and then a 40-point rebound the next day, and then yesterday, on Thursday we pulled back to a major support zone. I didn't do an update, but it was in the nightly update. We came down to the 27.94 half, 93 half zone, and immediately reversed back up. So in any case, this was they rallied back up to this high then, and then had a failure at the end of the day. So this was the Thursday close. This is Friday's open up in this area. Has some trouble, and then at the 9:50, we were looking for a shorting opportunity in this 9:50, 10 a.m. again time frame. We had a reversal here. This started an 8-point drop here, just about 8 points in 15 minutes. They sprang right back up. It was at the 2800 and a half area. 2800 was updated support zone, and then we had another bounce back up here. They tried to see the pull back, and they're waffling around this 2806, 2807 area, and not able to stick here either. So with this, another setup, a little higher lows and a double tops here, set up what could have been the start of a decent sell-off, but that didn't occur. They came down, made a token lower low, and then immediately turned back up here with some gusto. Got back above. This was the initial support, and it wasn't coming in until, I'm sorry, it wasn't. This was initial resistance, turn support, 2802 area, and 2802, 2802 half. So after we got this bounce back up to the 2807, 2806, 2807 area, we had another pullback to this zone, so kind of bouncing around here, not doing a bunch. And now around this time, I told the members to watch the Dow that had flattened out, and if it began to turn back up again, that we could get the start of a decent bounce back. And that's when it started here, just before 2 o'clock. It turned up. They took out this zone here and held it, ran right up to the old all-time high. This was a static number, single number I had listed here. The old all-time high at 2809 and a half. And as you can see, they made a little tiny double top here, but the pullback stopped right at the prior resistance. Now turned new support again at the 2807, 2806. They come down to 2807 exactly. Turned up. And they ran up to our last listed zone for the day was at 2812, 2813. They went to 2812 half, pulled back, came right back down to prior breakout area here. 2809 and a quarter was where they pulled back to. Then they ran straight up again at the last little run up here, poke up to 2815. 2815 was in the prior nights, listed in the prior nights table, and I didn't put that as numbers in it. It wasn't figuring to see that area on Friday. But in any case, they reached there and they came back at the end of the day, closed above where they broke out, and sets up for another volatile week, I think, next week. Again, like I said, we had the 40-point move down, and then 45 points or better back on the upside. So new all-time highs, and closing at new all-time highs on Friday. So we'll see what shapes up on Monday. There's some corollaries to prior time frames that are getting very close here, and I think maybe you might want to be on board when things begin to unravel. We'll see. January, first week in January was good. If January is a good month, then a year on balance is supposed to be good. But we'll see how that goes this year. So, hey, come join us at TradeStalker.com. Have a great trading week next week.